Season X is here, and the world is destabilizing fast. But don't worry, that means there are a ton of new ways to play Fortnite. From the Brute, a new 2-player vehicle that packs some serious firepower, to mysterious rift zones that alter your favorite POIs in unexpected ways. That's weird. Season X delivers new experiences for all players to enjoy. There are new places to explore, new secrets to uncover, and the world you play today may not be the world you play tomorrow. In addition to all new gameplay found in Season X, there's also a brand new Battle Pass that'll introduce new dimensions to some of your favorite Fortnite characters in ways you've never seen before. And at Tier 100, you'll unlock Ultima Night. Plus, don't forget, there are new emotes, gliders, wraps, and more to earn as you advance through the pass. The Battle Pass is available right now for just 950 V-Bucks. We'll see you in-game.